Tuple is a data type which holds two set of values of different data types. So we have seen union, right? Union also it was a different data types, but in this it's a set of different values. It's like a data structure. So basically, let me explain you this with the help of example. So I have an variable with a name city, and I want to define it as a tuple. So it should contain data of number as well as string. So that this structure, how the structure will look like is like 1 comma string value, which is let's say Delhi. Okay, so my city is a tuple which will hold data in this format, number and a string. So this is how tuple works in TypeScript. So we are storing both number as well as string type of data in the same variable. So that's what you can do with a tuple.